Hi guys, welcome back to Motech. My name is Stephen, behind the camera is Jay, and today we're going to be embarking on this Mercedes AMG GTR. More specifically, in this video, we'll talk about the fact we are now accredited and we can apply CSU to your vehicles. So the first thing for this car is to get it washed, decontaminated back inside, machine polished, and then we'll go into a bit more in depth about Crystal Serum Ultra. So we're just looking at this carbon spoiler. Now it is black, but underside of it is actually carbon. It's just painted. So what I can see right now is the weave of the carbon through the lacquer, just like you see on the paintwork. You can see the orange peel. So we have to be a bit more careful on these spoilers, just because if you go too far, you can actually bring up that carbon even more. So we're going to be nice and careful with this. We're going to go through, just probably use the yellow pad with F6 and just sort of see how we go. Hopefully the scratches and deep ones do come out too. So as you can see behind me, the car is now finished, but there's one thing I want to elaborate on. And at the start of the video, we mentioned Ultra, which is something we are now accredited with. So Ultra is a 9-year guaranteed coating as long as you come to an accredited centre. And the only thing with Ultra is an accredited centre is the only place you can get this product. So now this is on the car, we've also gone round and coated the wheels. That's coated with C5 wheel armour inside and out. We've done the interior as well, we've coated the interior, and we've also topped Ultra with EXO. And that's quite a vital role because Ultra itself is a hard base layer, and now we've got EXO on there. It gives us that hydrophobic properties that helps with ease of maintenance and also the beading as well. So I can't think of anything else better to do than get this car outside and have a look at it in the sun.